So here's a problem that a lot of people are faced with. You throw your rope out there and maybe snag one leg or whatever, and it comes back and it's got a figure 8 in there in the Hondu, and it kind of pulls down and it's hard to get out. And some people will take the knot here, this kink, and put it back through there, but especially the smaller Hondu like this, and a Riata, I'd really frown if that was my rope. But what I've found is better is get the kink in this part of the rope, and from your Hondu over to your hand here, the bottom here, have it all open and have that kink up there like that, and then just, see I got it in between my hands here, just switch hands and pull that kink through there like that. Then you're not torturing your rope to try to get it out.